Welcome back to our monthly Spotlight series. My name is Jane Aday, and today we're going to be talking about how K-12 school districts can improve facility performance, reduce operational costs, and create safer, healthier, more energy-efficient learning environments for students and staff. We can do this through three key strategies: building controls optimization, protective systems, and strategic equipment upgrades. Most importantly, we'll explore how partnering with a single solutions provider streamlines these initiatives and helps deliver long-term value to the school district. School districts across the country are managing aging infrastructure, limited maintenance staff, rising energy costs, and increasing safety compliance. Many facilities departments are forced to coordinate multiple vendors for HVAC controls, security systems, fire protection, energy management, and equipment maintenance. This fragmented approach often results in higher service costs, delayed response times, communication gaps between systems, inconsistent maintenance standards, and an increased administrative burden. A strategic maintenance approach can eliminate many of these challenges. Our first strategy is building controls optimization. By leveraging intelligent building controls, districts can monitor HVAC performance in real time, schedule equipment operations based on occupancy, identify equipment issues before failures occur, reduce unnecessary energy consumption, and improve indoor air quality and occupant comfort. Proactive maintenance controls helps ensure that classrooms remain comfortable while extending equipment life and reducing the number of emergency repairs. For many districts, energy savings alone can help offset the cost of ongoing system optimization. Our second strategy is integrated protective systems. School safety requires a comprehensive and connected approach. Our integrated protective solution brings together fire alarm systems, access control, video surveillance, intrusion detection, emergency communications, and life safety monitoring. When these systems work together, facilities teams gain greater visibility and faster response capabilities. Routine testing, inspections, software updates, and preventative maintenance ensure systems remain compliant and operational when they're needed most. An integrated platform also simplifies management and reporting for district administration and facility personnel. Our third strategy is strategic equipment upgrades. Many K-12 facilities are operating equipment beyond its intended life cycle. Rather than waiting for catastrophic failures, districts can implement planned strategic upgrades that are focused on HVAC modernization, variable frequency drives, energy-efficient motors, chillers and boilers, lighting controls, and air quality enhancements. Strategic upgrades improve reliability, reduce maintenance costs, lower energy consumption, and support healthier learning environments. When combined with building controls, upgraded equipment provides measurable performance improvements across an entire campus. While each of these strategies delivers value independently, the greatest benefit comes from managing them through a single solutions provider. A single solutions partner provides one point of accountability. Instead of coordinating multiple contractors, districts can work with one trusted team responsible for performance, service, and support. Today we're going to talk to Stark Tech service leader Chris Stoke, who's going to provide a little more insight on how the service team operates.
When the clients call in with a service call, normally what will happen is they will get our customer support department, which is typically a technical support rep. They will create a job, they will take the call and either be able to remote into the job site if it's a building controls call, or they have the ability to immediately dispatch based on the service priority levels. Response timeline always depends on what the priority level is. If it is an immediate service call that has to have immediate attention and have the ability to remote into the service call, they can remote right into the job site, handle that ticket from beginning to close right then and there. Could be minutes to hours. We have GPS units in the guys' trucks. We know where they are at all times for faster dispatching. They know what's in each other's trucks, and we can streamline those support calls very quickly. Remote diagnostics on the BMS side, it gives us the ability to log in immediately. There are very technical people here that used to be technicians, so they can remote in, figure out what the problem is, and they can solve it remotely immediately, or it can take time based on their need of parts, pieces, network connectivity, whatever the situation may be. There's a lot of situations that go into the remote calls. Step one is always having Stark Tech the remote ability to remote into your job sites. It's not even just the right parts and pieces, it's the right person for the job as well. So making sure the right person is there, equipped with the parts, pieces, tools, and having the technicians' abilities to be able to see one another's and see the warehouse has drastically changed how fast we can respond through the K-12. The difference between a contractor and a partner to me is it's transactional, right? It's a one-time, one kill. I did the thing, I bought the thing, I moved on. A partner is wanting to work with one another. It's less about power and control, and it's more about working with one another to come up with a final process, the final project that works for both of us, and making sure that it's a long-lasting relationship. A partner to me is more of a relationship than it is a transaction.
Today's K-12 facilities require more than just traditional maintenance practices. If you're a K-12 school district looking to elevate your facility services, let's connect.